Hello to all. As you all know, today we will do Unit 29 of Gregg Shorthand book Anniversary Edition, page 125. Analogical word beginning disjoined. That's what the heading says. We are starting. This is Saurabh Tripathi. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful in any way. First, agree. Second, agreeable. Third, agreement. Fourth, agriculture. Fifth, aggravate. Aggressive, disagree, disagreement. Second, anticipate, anticipation, antagonize, antecedent, anterior. Third, declare, declaration, decline. Okay, declaration will be like this, I think. Declined, declaim, declamation. Fourth row, include, incline, inclination, inclined, inclusion, inclusive, inclement. Fifth row, magnify, magnitude, magnificent, magnet, McNeil. Sixth row, multitude, multiply, multiple, multiply now, and then multiplication. Seventh, overlook, overtake, overcoat, overthrow, overcome. Eighth, paragraph, parallel, paramount. Paramount, paradise, paralysis, parasite. Then ninth row, postage, postal, postmaster, postpone, postman. 10th, recline, reclined, reclaim, reclamation, recluse. 11th, selfish, confident, self-control, circular, circulation, circumstances, circus. 12th, grandson, grandfather. 13th one, sort, sorter, sorten, sortage, sortly, short-sighted, ship, shape, shipwreck, shipyard. 14th one, superintend, superior, supervise, support, supreme, supremacy, superb, supersede. 15th row, suspect, suspected, suspicious, suspicion, suspectable, suspend, suspense, suspension. 16th row, transact, transacted, transaction, transfer, transfer, translation, transport, transfix, 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 transfix. Okay, now that is right. Transfix. 17th, under, understanding, undertake, understood, underneath, underline, underwrite, sorry, underwrite. We have completed all of them. Now checking all. Agree, agreeable, agreement, agriculture. Okay, agriculture, 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 agriculture. Aggravate, aggressive, disagree, disagreeable, anticipate, anticipation, antagonize, antecedent, anterior, declare, declaration, declaim, declaration, 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 decline, declined, declaim, declamation, include, incline, inclination, inclined, inclusion, inclusive, inclement, 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 inclement. Okay, magnify, magnitude, magnificent, magnet, McNeil. Multitude, multiply, multiple, multiply, multiplication, over, overlook, overtake, overcoat, overthrow, overcome. Post, paragraph, parallel, paramount, paradise, paralysis, parasite. Okay, postage, postal, postmaster, postpone, postman. Recline, reclined, reclaim, reclamation, recluse. I think it is recluse or any other word. Recluse. Okay. Then we have selfish, self-confident, self-control, circular, circulation, circumstances, circus. Grand, grandson, granddaughter, grandmother, grandfather. Sort, sorter, sorten, sortage, sortly, short-sighted, ship-shape, shipwreck, shipyard, superintend, superior, superintendent, superintendent or superintend, 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 superior, supervise, support, supreme, supremacy, superb, supersede, suspect, suspected, suspicious, suspicious, suspicion, suspectable, suspend, suspense, suspension, transact, transact, transacted, transaction, transfer, translation, transport, transfix, under, understanding, undertake, understood, underneath, underline, underwrite. Okay, now self interest, unselfish, unparalleled, unsuspected, self control, unsuspicious, disinclined, self contradiction, unsuspectable, okay, pen is over, pen over, untransacted, untransacted, and unrestricted. We have done all of them. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful.